Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Hell Patrol on guitar. We will start by breaking down the iconic main riff. Begin with the E minor pentatonic scale, focusing on the low E string. Apply palm muting to achieve that signature tight, aggressive sound. The riff combines power chords with single notes, so practice a consistent down-picking motion for a solid rhythmic foundation. This will set you up for success. Next, let's tackle the verse and pre-chorus sections. The verse riff features a distinct galloping rhythm, which requires precise alternate picking to maintain its speed and clarity. As you move into the pre-chorus, you will notice a buildup of tension, often achieved through sustained power chords. It is essential to pay close attention to the timing of these chord changes to ensure a smooth and powerful transition into the chorus. Now, let's put it together to create the iconic riff. Begin with a clear, strong draw on hole 2. Immediately follow this with a bent draw on hole 3, aiming for that lowered, mournful tone. You can then repeat this two-note phrase, perhaps adding a quick blow on hole 4 for variation. This simple pattern forms the backbone of the jail song sound. Finally, let's discuss the solo and effective practice strategies. The solo is quite fast, primarily utilizing the E minor scale and various arpeggios. To conquer it, break it down into smaller, manageable phrases and practice them slowly. Use a metronome to gradually increase your speed. Consistent daily practice, even for just 30 minutes, is absolutely key to building muscle memory and mastering this challenging, yet rewarding song.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.